Hi, welcome to my home. Come on in. So this is our little entryway enclave. We basically have almost no furniture right now, and we're gonna be getting it over the next few weeks and months because everything is backed up, but we are so excited to be here and we love our new space. So let's go. So here is what you see when you walk in. We've got the living room here, and we've taped out kind of where we want some of the furniture. So my mom came in with me and helped me do all that. And right now it's just me and her staying together. She's behind the camera. So we're just figuring out where everything goes. And this is a coffee table that we will be keeping. That chair is just for utilitarian purposes. And here we've got a beautiful fireplace, and we're gonna put a TV up here and some baby stuff that we're starting to get in. So we'll go around the couch. I'm gonna show you the kitchen. So this is our kitchen where I will be doing no cooking, especially when baby comes. Oh, I've got my Tanya Kim vegan dog bag. I love this so much. Fridge. Got a little bit of food in there, thanks to Pam. Stove. I don't know what goes on in the kitchen anyway. And then we've got a lot of cupboards. Got some nice cupboard space, dishwasher, microwave. I don't know why it's down there, but it works, so that's fine. And then we've got a half bath down here. Say hi, Pam. And yeah, there's this beautiful textured stone wall, which I love. The house is new. We didn't want to get a place where we would have to do any renovations with a newborn coming. So we love the house so much, and there's just kind of little things that I'll want to, change because I'm really picky and annoying, but maybe get a new light for some reason. I really don't like these. I don't know why, but they bother me a lot. And here's the crawl space. There's Theo. Come here, baby. Here is where we will have our dining room. So I'm also going to replace this, even though it's beautiful, it's just not really our style. If anyone in Vancouver wants to buy it, please let me know. It's gorgeous and in perfect condition. So we're going to have a table here. These are our chairs. Unfortunately, the table that we ordered, we thought was walnut legs, but it was actually steel, just painted. Anyways, whatever. These are not necessarily where these are gonna go, but I got these beautiful vases from a female-owned Vancouver interior company called Artifact Home. And I love them, they're so pretty. But all of the decorating and stuff will come once we, have some furniture, I guess. Okay, let's go upstairs. So yeah, I don't know what do you even call this stairway?
A landing.
A landing. There's a landing. So here's our little landing. And then we actually have a little laundry room, which is really nice. Got our Tide sensitive. And I don't really know what we're gonna do here. Maybe a plant, maybe a little chair. I don't know if anyone will actually sit on a landing. Why would you do that? Linen closet, whatever. Let's go in the baby's room.
This is for the baby.
And so we don't have anything yet. So we're gonna order all our stuff, and I'm working with Indigo, which is so nice because not only do they have kind of everything you could really ever need for a baby, but they're also just lovely, and they, you know, give suggestions. It's not as overwhelming as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, we'll have like the crib and the changing table. Andrew wants to paint a wall, but we'll see if that actually happens. Little closet, baby already has a closet. And then right beside is my office, which is where Pam and Theo and I are sleeping right now. It's a little bit bigger than the baby's room, which is great. And the light in here is amazing for filming. I'm so excited. I'll have a couch over there, maybe a desk over there, and then probably like a big mirror, clothing rack. We'll see. I don't know. Here's my closet, which is pretty messy. These are the only things that I have thus far. We're still waiting for the U-Haul to come with all our boxes and all my things. But that's the office. Second bathroom. Hello. And so here we've got a bath, because upstairs we only have a shower, so Andrew will be thrilled about that. This is the bathroom. I think I want to change out these lights. Just little things, you know? Yeah, okay. Let's go upstairs one more time. And then here is our master. So we've taped out the bed, which takes up a lot of the room. And we're actually gonna get the door switched so that it swings that way so that we can have nightstands. Got lots of storage and space for clothing or whatever. I don't really want to put a TV here, even though I'm pretty sure that's what that was for. I kind of want to get like a vintagey looking mirror, put some, you know, plants and things there. Have a little deck. So we can have some time and coffee up here. But it's so pretty. I really love our new neighborhood. Finally, we have the master bath. Come on in. Really nice and spacious. I'm sure this is the largest bathroom I've ever had. Got our droplet towels. Yeah, 2 sinks, some storage, and a nice large shower. I think I'm gonna try and put some eucalyptus in there as well. Maybe put some shelves here, maybe up there. Here's the toilet, and that's it. Look who we have here.
Hi. Say hi. Say hi to all the people. You're a sleepy boy.
Theo is still getting used to the new house, although he loves the yard.
Hi, Pam. Hi.
We've got a set of French doors from the living room that opens into a little patio, and then our front door is just right there. And that's our home. Thanks for coming by. I can't wait to show you once it's furnished and, you know, a little bit more put together, but we love it. I just thought I would give a little bit of background in case you're new to the channel or you missed it. So I am pregnant. I'm now in my 3rd trimester, I think I'm 28 weeks now. I'll have to confirm that. Andrew and I decided to move back. Well, I decided to move back to Vancouver, which is where I'm originally from. My parents are here, my sister's here, a lot of my really close friends are here. And so we wanted to come back to the West Coast where it's not so fucking cold all the time to raise our kids here and be near my family for when I have a newborn baby. And I think the only person I'm gonna want is really my mom or Andrew. So Theo's right there, by the way. So Andrew got a job here, which is amazing, especially in a pandemic. I'm so proud of him. And I am currently living here with my mom, just in case like something happens with pregnancy and I'm not alone. And Theo, of course. And Andrew comes this weekend after writing his Royal College exam, which he literally studied for a year. Anyways, he's done it, so that's amazing. The house is a duplex, so it's like a larger house, and then at the back there's somebody else living there, and we've met them. They're lovely. We just have the front yard, and then we also have a little garage. Yeah, the Vancouver market sucks. I had a few questions about us buying this, so we actually put in an offer in December, and then we had a longer closing date just because we weren't moving till later. We were kind of able to like finalize the deal before the market really started to pick up again, which was super lucky because real estate in, you know, large cities like Vancouver and Toronto and stuff is just ridiculous. Anyways, we have an amazing realtor, Ruthie Sugarman, and her partner Paige, and they were so great for basically helping us buy a house sight unseen. And my mom and Andrew's brother, who both live here, were able to come in and kind of like, you know, FaceTime us to see the house, but we actually bought it without having seen it. And I would say like for any like cross-country buying, you really need a good realtor who will do what needs to be done, track people down, go see stuff for you, and, you know, do virtual tours, all that kind of stuff. And I can't recommend Ruthie and Paige enough. They were so great. Now we've like finished with everything, and we still are texting with her, and she's so on it and wonderful. So if I have released the baby sex video, then I will share that here. Oh my God. But what I mean is like the sex versus the gender, because we really want to be open to our child choosing whichever gender they feel that they identify with. If I posted it, I will insert it here as well. I would love to know what other content you guys want to see in terms of the house and in terms of baby. Things are really starting to heat up now. Like, we just moved into a new house in a new city. We're having a baby in July, and it's a lot, but it's very exciting. I feel like we really grew up this year really, really fast. I don't think there's anything else I wanted to say. I did a Q&A on Instagram, and I actually saved my answers. And oh, hi Theo. Oh, you're a small boy. I actually saved my answers in a highlight on Instagram in case you want to check that out. But people were asking just like why we moved. And Andrew's actually from Ottawa. I'm from Vancouver. We decided on Toronto as a really good kind of meeting point because it would be great for his career, great for my career. And I had always kind of had it in the back of my head that I would probably like to move back to Vancouver when we were wanting to start having a family. And Andrew's brother actually lives out here now as well. So that's amazing. And he has some close friends here too. So he's very excited to come out. He texted me today that it was snowing in Ontario. So, okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching and following along and being so lovely and supportive, and I'll see you soon.